Hello everyone. So we will understand how to install Git Bash on Windows. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you need to open the browser and then download Git Bash for Windows. And this is the URL you have to go and https git-sem.com downloads. Go here and then you can install using whatever the OS you are using. If you can go for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. And I'm going for Windows. Click on download and then standalone installer. Go for your computer bit. So mine is 64-bit computer. Click on this. Then automatically, so the exe will be downloaded. So once the download is done, we'll have to install it. So just it takes only a couple of minutes. Once that is done, we are going to install it. See, the progress is almost done. Yeah. And now the exe is available. Go to the respective folder and then double click on it. Git 2.48. So double click on it and then it will ask for do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes and then you will be able to see this window. Okay. So once you see this window, click on next button. And then you no need to change anything, just go ahead with the default settings. Click on next button and then we wanted to see the icon on the desktop, so select this checkbox and click on next button and then you no need to change anything here. So don't create a start menu, so don't check this. If you wanted to check, it will not create a start menu folder. If you wanted to have it, uncheck it. Okay, so that's up to you. Click on next button and here you have to have an editor where you are going to make use of the editor. So to do this, if at all you are selecting Notepad++, you must have already installed Notepad++ in your system. And I have Visual Studio on my system already. See here, I have Visual Studio already installed. So if you want, you can go through the link. I'll provide how to install Visual Studio. I'm selecting Visual Studio. If you wanted to do it for Notepad++, first you install Notepad++, then you will have to select this. Since it is not installed, it is coming like this. Now I am going to select Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor and then click on next button. And then uh, let Git decide if you wanted to create with this option you can do, or else you can override the default branch name for new repository. Generally what we'll do, we will create a main branch. That's the reason I'm selecting the second option and click on next and then use the recommended settings and click on next and then use bundled open SSH and click on next and then use the same open SSL library and then click on next button and then you go with the default one, click on next and then you go with the default one, click on next and then yeah, as usual, no need to change anything, just go ahead and click next and then finally install. So it will take a couple of seconds to install it and after that you will see the Git icon on your desktop. So once that is done, your installation is done and you can check what is the Git Bash version you have installed. So that is what we are going to see after the installation. Okay, so first let me wait until this gets completed. Yep, it's almost done. And see here, there is a new icon which has come and I don't want to launch it and I don't want to see anything. If you wanted to check this checkbox, it will launch the Git Bash. So I'll do it manually. Click on finish button and then see here your Git Bash is available. Just double click on it and then you will be able to see this window. So now I wanted to write the Git command. See here, what are all the commands you can use, all those will be displayed here. Okay, so you can go through it at a later point of time, but for now I wanted to show you what is the Git version is available. So to do that, see there is a command git hyphen version. So I'm going to type git space hyphen version So it will show you what is the Git version installed on your Windows. Okay, 2.48.1. So this is how you will install Git Bash on your system.